is 567 permutation in strings. They are asking that given two strings S1 and S2, return true if S2 contains a permutation of S1 or false otherwise. In other words, return true if one of the S1's permutation is a substring of S2. The substring word here is most important word because what they are asking is the permutation of AB is substring of this string. So suppose for example, if we have a string called as ABCD, then how many permutations can we found from this string? And those permutations are ABCD, again BCAD, again CABD, and etc. So arranging every word to each position and other word to other position, this can be called as permutation of string. So if you want to create such permutations for the string AB, then those permutations can be nothing but AB and BA. So we must find a string where AB and BA occurs in the string EIDBAOO. So this is the target string, and if you can see, here's a permutation. So we just want to return it, but we are doing an optimized version of this algorithm, and this should work very fine and in less time and less complexity. Do we just take the length of all the strings, that is s1 dot length and m equal to s2 dot length, and if m is less than m, then I'll just return false. And again I will create a vector to store the frequency of characters, and this vector will be going to be of size 26. For each character of string S1, I am just incrementing the frequency of this character by 1. After that, I am again creating a vector of int to store the frequency of second character, and this will be of 26 length again, and it will store some of the elements initially. So how many elements will store will depend on int window size, and window size will be equal to n because we want to find the permutation which is of length n, so it's guaranteed. Therefore I will just loop over it. I equal to 0, I less than window size and I plus plus, and then for the frequency 2 array, I'll just update the character here which has s2 of I minus incremented. So now I have those values which are incremented. I just loop over. I now have access of this string. I'll just loop over this string and then this string in O of 1 time. Then for n times I'm doing this, so it's O of n time. In I equal to window size, I less than m and I plus plus. If frequency 1 equal to frequency 2, then I'll just return true. Else I'll increment the current character, the frequency 2 of s2 of I. I'll just increment it, and I'll just decrement the previous character which was at the initial position, that is s2 of I minus window size. And when I delete it, I will be on this window. Further I'll delete it, I will be on this window. In this way I'm going, and after that I'll just return if frequency 1 equal to frequency 2, and this code should work. Let's see if it works or not. It's not working, it's giving error of semicolon. I just use to semicolon, and it worked. Let's analyze the time complexity and space complexity after the submission. Submitted now, and according to the constraints it's working very fine. We are just taking O of 26 space, O of 26 space, then O of 26, O of n time, O of n time, and O of m time, so n plus m time.